morning, traders. This morning we are dealing with extremely challenging markets. Intelligent trader understands why these markets are so challenging. Intelligent trader understands that when bullish rally overextended and institutions holding positions and institutions do nothing, this is the most important part of your trading. This is where anyone can trade. This is easy. This is where traders blow up accounts. So if you are in the course right now, if you are thinking about signing up right now, if you can manage the most brutal market conditions that can last for months because institutions holding positions, not closing positions, and they can do so for months and years, you can deal with this, you're golden forever. Bullish rally overextended. Hamptons are packed. This has been the most spectacular, the most phenomenal rally since 1987 that became extremely challenging as markets are frozen. If our traders can do so well in this market, they can trade any market conditions. So let's ask our students welcoming Andre, who's logging in very first morning with us to the course as we are having a ball with Alpha Fibonacci traders, where we're meeting every single morning in Alpha Fibonacci Club. Let's see if our traders traded in these difficult market conditions. Can you please share, traders, if you traded this morning? As I'm preparing for the podcast with our legend, with Andy's son, Dominic, who is 14 years old. Boom! Jason, 3 weeks in the course. Dow, 40 points. Russell, 9 points. Gold, 143, killing it. Ken, one long option, spectacular. Please update everyone on your results on the summary. Andy reporting his son Dominic, 74 ticks on gold. Father and son team. Andy, 23. Kenneth confirms 69 for 69 trades on SPY and Bitcoin. Phenomenal job. Stunning work, even in the most challenging market conditions. Scott reports took off Bitcoin 12-day hold 14%. Sold Barry Gold for 13% return 25-day hold. As you can see, every trader different instrument, every trader different account. If markets are frozen on US index futures, trader trades gold, trade Bitcoin, trades options. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. Trade any instrument, trade any time frame. Choice is yours. And when markets are frozen, because institutions are enjoying vacations, you understand how challenging this market is. You are being very, very careful. You are being very well prepared. And that's frozen crawl that can remain for months and months and months and months as institutional traders celebrate the most powerful bullish rally since 1987, during the worst crisis of the century, showing you clearly. Turn off the noise, turn off the panic, turn off the negativity. Remember, your mindset creates your own reality. Crisis is always opportunity for intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader who applies proactive, strategic mentality to personal life, to personal health, to personal trading, not being reactive, not being panicky traders. Boom. As cut shares more and more, hesitating a trim on TSM after a huge move. And that's the power of the system. Do you want to trade weekly? Why not? Choice is yours. Institutional rally that started on March 23rd had been spectacular, flawless. Now we reached reversal zone. Demanding powerful pullback is crucial. So if market will start selling off, will start crashing and burning, intelligent trader would know. This is your institutional trading range. No speculation here. And when market finally starts pulling back, it is such a good news. Because this is what intelligent trader demanded and understood well before it played out. Trading any chart. 3, 5, 10, 15, any chart. Entering into resistance, not a brilliant idea. Demanding powerful pullback is crucial in this brutal market. So if you know hours in advance, on multiple occasions days in advance, where critical Alpha Fibonacci resistances you never buy into. All the details, modules 3 and 4, all the details Thursday class. This is crucial part of Alpha Fibonacci system. We've been here since Friday, which identifies bullish weakness. So when price is at the bottom, look to buy. When price at resistance, do not. Demand powerful pullback. And that's what we identified in advance. And that's the power of the software and system. You can trade on any platform. So if I bring up to your attention the software on Ninja 8, this was a power, this was phenomenal, open, breathtaking. This was brutal. Demanding powerful pullback is crucial, critical moment. No speculation, no chasing markets here. Never, ever, ever. And when price will crawl to here, you will see institutions stepping in again. Basics. This is institutional volume traders. This is not. Time and time again. If you are trading with institutions and not against them, if you're riding powerful institutional train, you are intelligent, brilliant trader. That's it. Black and white. No speculation here. None are present. So when you will decide to join us because you would like to trade as Dominic does, when you log into the member area, this is what you receive. You receive a very clear schedule. You will receive very clear instructions. You will have the opportunity to view modules and videos 24/7. Students and graduates in 50 plus countries. Enjoying videos, enjoying modules, trading on different platforms, from Ninja to Thinkorswim to TradeStation. You can trade any platform, any instrument you choose with proprietary Fibonacci tools. On platform I've never heard of, on instruments I've never heard of. Choice is yours. What instrument, what account size, what time frame you choose to trade. Hundreds of videos available to you at your convenience. So please simply come to homepage, view students' journeys, see what's possible, listen to the podcasts, Brad's journey, Ken's journey, Scott's journey in front of you. Dominic's coming soon. Simply choose from package appropriate for you. 3 months live courses, 6 months private mentoring with software for Ninja 8 or any platform. Because when you will see price continue doing this, and you will choose to touch the junk, you are not trading Alpha Fibonacci system. Alpha Fibonacci trader interested only in power, interested only in trading with institutions, and never, ever, ever against them. Thank you, traders, so much. Class starts next. Joining us will be one of the best things you have ever done.